Did you recently get proposed to and not quite sure where to start with planning your wedding? Stay tuned for some awesome tips on how to get started. Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about how and where to get started on your wedding planning journey. So you just got engaged. Congratulations. You must be thrilled and over the moon. What an exciting journey ahead. Maybe you've been planning your dream wedding since you were little and are ready to dive straight in and get started. You might have ideas on colours, flowers, invitations, cakes, and of course the all-important dress. But where do you start? What do you book first and how much do you spend? Did you know here at Pink Caviar Events, we offer an array of services like full and partial planning, styling, on-the-day coordinating, as well as the hourly wedding consultation advice. Our hourly consultation advice can help you get started or can help you halfway through the process with anything that you may be stuck on. It's a great alternative to spending hours or days researching online and still not finding exactly what you're looking for. As a professional planner myself and a stylist, we do this for a living. We have contacts, prices, and knowledge right at our fingertips. So if you're keen on planning your own wedding and don't want a full-blown wedding planner, our hourly consultation service could be the perfect option to help you with the bits and pieces you're stuck on. Whether you need help sourcing a good photographer, assistance with decorations and centerpieces, or maybe just advice on your wedding budget, we're here for you. These sessions are available to you anytime through the process and can be utilised in person in our office, over the phone, or via a video Skype chat at a time most convenient to you. I'll add a link below for you to also check out this service. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for updates on this video series. Until next time, happy planning!